Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a reset through system settings on your Motorola Moto G4. First step, go ahead and turn on your device. From here, you want to find your settings. So you could find settings through your apps menu from here, or you could also find them through the pull-down menu and clicking on settings here. Now scroll down to backup and reset. So let's go ahead and find that, backup and reset. You can click here and then click on factory data reset, reset phone, erase everything, and now your phone will delete your personal content and it will reset back to the factory settings with none of your content on there.